So hello guys, for today's video, we are going to Anantara Eco Mauritius Resort and Villas here in Mauritius. So keep watching guys, kasi this time we are on our way going to the hotel. So as you can see guys, maraming parang province lang siya dito dyan sa Pilipinas. So maraming tubuhan like corn like that, kasi yung pinaka source of income nila dito ay yung sugarcane. So ayun guys, bali road trip ang aming peg this time. So ayan, malapit na po kami dyan sa aming pupuntahan sa hotel. So keep it watching guys.
Turn left.
So ayan na, magta-turn left kami dyan. So ayan, welcome to Anantara Eco Mauritius Resort and Villas. So ayan, so tinanong muna kami sa aming booking dyan. So ayun, confirm. So let's go inside. So ayan, bali yung time oras na yan. So na-excite kami kung ano yung meron sa loob ng resort and villas. So na-amaze kami sobra. So keep it watching ulit. So ayan, welcome us Anantara Eco Mauritius Resort and Villas. So please guys, if you are watching this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys. Bonjour Mauritius. Thank you so much.